jog screen. We click on the jog screen. This pops up the jog window. We can use the jogs in a number of modes. The simplest one is just to press the direction you want to go in and the thing will drive. Diagonals, etc, etc. We've got a choice here of low speed and high speed. We toggle that to high speed, then do, as the button implies, a high speed jog. We can also type in a speed here by clicking the speed box, type in the speed you want to travel at. You might want to do that if you want to move a small amount. Also, these numbers here in the box, if you click on them, that will zero them, so you can use the system like a tape measure, just to measure a bit of plate perhaps. Got a button down here, more jogs. If you select more jogs, this allows us to input a distance to travel, so X jog plus minus we can go. So if we go 100 millimeters, this will then, when we press the do relative jog, drive 100 millimeters to the right. And we can see the positions updated there. We've got a few set points and table positions here. So if you press set point, then it'll remember the point you press the button at as like a datum. And even if you turn the machine off, when you rehome it and press to set point, it'll go back to that point, and that's available there to easily reset that. So extra features on here, laser. This will turn the laser offset on, so we'll cover the operation of the laser in a later video. Home will home the Z-axis, so it will drive the Z-axis up to its home limit and reset it. So that's basic